So students, on the Tinkercad, what you have to do, you have to click on circuits, then create new circuit. Normally it asks to create a account. Okay, so by the Gmail account you can directly log in. Okay, it is not the paid, so it is free to use. So in order to make any program, we have to search different components which are required. Okay, so different components are already there by different categories. So basic components, all Arduino, microbit, okay, circuit assemblies, many components are there, maximum are there. Okay, so just you have to search according to your requirement. So for example, I am making design on the breadboard. So first I will search the breadboard. Okay, so it is a breadboard. The process is same that we did in the fritzing. Just we have to drag and place the component. Okay, so first I took the breadboard. As I explained you, what is a breadboard? It is a plastic body where we have the tiny holes. In the tiny holes, we can insert the component to make the circuit. Okay, after inserting the components, we have to use the connecting wires to make the complete circuit. So on the breadboard, first I will connect a LED because it is the LED blink project. So I put LED here. So in the in this software Tinkercad, it provide different colors of LEDs. Just you have to click on the particular component. For example, LED is there, then color option is there. You have to scroll it down. So different colors are there. You can make a LED of your choice. So here I will take a yellow LED. Okay. Then I want to connect it with the Arduino. So it is the Arduino microcontroller based device. Just you have to drag it and place on the home screen. So it is the Arduino Uno. Okay, and we can also rotate it. Rotate button is there. So click there, it will rotate in different angles. Okay, so in this way it is rotated. Now in the Arduino, we have different type of input and output pins. So in the right side you can see digital input output pins are there. So I want to connect it with this Arduino, this LED. So another end is connected with the pin number 13 of the Arduino. Okay, if we are making any wire, so again it provide different color codes. So any type of color we can take. Okay. Now in order to complete the circuit, from one terminal we connect the signal, and second ground should be there. So with another pin I connect the ground. So for ground I will take the black color wire. Okay. Now in the Tinkercad software, it provide the codes as well. Okay. So when we click on the code, so you have to click on the code. So different options are there: blocks, blocks plus text, and text. So I will pick the text, then press continue. Okay. So it is the uh, one feature of Tinkercad is that it provides the code by itself. If we want to change the code, then you can change it. Okay, you have to select the code and you can delete that part. Otherwise, you can use the same code as well. Okay, this code is exactly right Why? Because you can see in the diagram on pin number 13, we connected with the one terminal of LED to give the output. So that is why pin number 13 is there and it is assigned as the output. Then in the void loop, the logic is exactly same, digital write, because it is a digital pin. We are writing on pin number 13. Initially, we are giving the high, that is logical 1, up to which time, that is delay 1000. Okay, 1000 millisecond. Wait for 1000 milliseconds. Then after writing the high means logical 1, we are giving the low, that is logical 0, that is again for the 1000 millisecond. So this program is exactly right. Okay. Now after making the design, what we have to do, we have to click on the start simulation. Okay. Now you can see for 1000 millisecond or 1 second, this LED is glowing, then it become off. Okay. I think it is visible to you. Now students, one issue is there when LED is glowing. So one message is there. What is the message? So I will increase the on time, so we will be able to read the message. Actually, this on time I will make it 5000 millisecond, means 5 second. Okay, then start simulation. Current through LED is 52.3 milliampere, while recommended maximum is the 20 milliampere. Okay, so the message is when the current is passing through the LED, it means when LED is giving light. So the current passing is the 52 milliampere, which is greater than the desirable. Okay, so in that case, what will happen? The life cycle of LED will reduce. Okay, so how to improve this? Okay, how to improve this? I will connect one resistor here. Okay, I will connect one resistor here. So extra current will pass through that resistor. I will place it here, then I will rotate to make it connectable with the tiny holes. Okay, so it is a resistor, and another end I will connect with the ground. So ground wire I will take it as a black. Okay, I will also change the color of the LED to green. Okay, I will take it red so it can be clearly visible. Now again start simulation. Okay, now when LED is glowing, it is not giving any message. Why it is not giving message? Because now excess current is passing through the resistor. Okay, as you know what is resistor, it is the opposition to flow of current. Okay, so in this way you can improve your circuit as well. Okay, initially directly I can connect the resistor, but I want to explain you what is the use of resistor. That is why I connect it afterwards. Okay, so initially a message was there that more current is passing through the LED which is above the desirable. So that is why now I am connecting the resistor through this LED. So extra current will pass through this resistor. Okay students, so it is the LED blink project on the Tinkercad. Okay. Okay, so thank you students. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Code wala, 1 second. Yeah, I will check it, students. Sir, what is ground? Yes, Vaibhav, ground means in every electronic and electrical circuit, we should have the ground to make the complete circuit. Okay, always ground is there. and ground is nothing but is the negative signal, negative terminal. Okay, because as you can see in the batteries or in any circuit, we have two terminals, positive and negative. So ground means negative. Negative terminal is known as the ground, and it is always there. Then after Vaibhav, code कहाँ से लिखें? Okay, code is already generated there. If you want to write, you can write in the PPT. I also shared the code with you. Register, yes, Rajat, register is there. Ground pin. Yes, students, you are engineering students, so please write in proper English. Okay, so don't write in this language. Ground pin 2 है तो हमें किसी से, so don't write this type of language. Okay. Ground pin 2 है तो हम किसी से connect ही सकते हैं. So I didn't understand, Barkha, what you want to say. Okay, code wala option repeat. Okay, I will repeat it. Which pin is ground in Arduino? In Arduino, they have three different grounds. So, if you able to see, in the Arduino, on the right side, second pin is the ground. Okay, now it is visible, I think. Okay, and on the left side, two another grounds are there. It is one ground and it is another ground. So three ground pins are there in the Arduino. Okay, and code in the normal screen. One second, another question is there. Sir, which pin in ground in Arduino? Okay, there is two ground pin in Arduino, so we can connect from anyone. Yes, Barkha, you can connect from anyone. We have not two but three ground pins, so you can take anyone. Because in complex circuits, if you have three different boards, so three different grounds are required. So that is why more grounds are there. Okay, and code. Uh, if you want to see the code in normal home screen, it have the simulation and code, so you have to click on the code. Okay, in the normal window it will show the blocks, so you have to select their text. So click on text, so it will show the code that is generated by itself. Okay, when we make the circuit, so this Tinkercad software provide the code by itself as we connect the LEDs, because pin is connected with pin number 13, so by itself it set the pin number 13 as output. Okay, if you want to put your own code, that you can also do that. Can we connect LED to another pin instead of pin number 13? Yes, you can connect, there is no issue. Just delete this wire. So now if you want to connect it pin number 12, so just make the connection. Okay, now check the code. In code you have to assign the pin number 12. Now start simulation. Okay, now LED is on. Okay, is it clear?